Friends, welcome to my channel How to Teach Kids at Home. This is English drama series for primary grades, CBSE and ICSE board. And today's topic is why consonant sound. So let's begin. Why consonant sounds? As we all know, Y is a consonant, and when the letter Y appears in a word, it has its specific sounds. Depends upon the placement of the Y in the word. So first is the Y consonant sound. When letter Y appears in the beginning or in the middle of the word, it has a Y specific sound. Y sound, that is ear sound. Example, Yamuna. In Yamuna, Y appears in the beginning, so it has ear sound. Yamuna. Yard. In yard also, Y is in the beginning of the word, so it has Y consonant sound. Yard. Beyond. In this word beyond, Y is in the middle of the word. So it has Y consonant sound. Beyond. Layer. 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 Here also Y is in the middle of the word. So it has Y consonant sound. So when the letter Y appears in the beginning or in the middle of the word, it has Y consonant sound. Second, long I vowel sound. When letter Y appears at the end of the monosyllabic word. What is monosyllabic word? Which has only one syllable. That is a single sound. It has long I vowel sound. Example, DRY. So DRY, dry, is a monosyllabic word, dry, and here the Y is at the end of the monosyllabic word. So it has long I sound. So DRY, dry. Here the Y creates I sound. DRY creates I sound. Dry. CRY is cry. FRY is fry. FLY is fly. So when the consonant Y is at the end of the monosyllabic word, it has long I vowel sound. Third, when consonant Y is end of the multisyllabic word which can be syllabicated, it has long E vowel sound. So what is multisyllabic word? Which has two sounds, or you can further divide it. Example, funny. 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 So how you pronounce it? Funny. Funny. So this is a multisyllabic word. In this word, the Y is present at the end. So it has long E sound. Fun E. SUNNY, sunny. MANY, manny. TUMMY, tummy. MUMMY, mummy. So whenever the Y is present at the end of the multisyllabic word, it has long E vowel sound. And when the Y is present at the end of the monosyllabic word, it has long I sound, and when Y is present in the beginning or in the middle of the word, it has Y sound. Okay, let's take some examples. Here, Y consonant sound words: yellow, yes, yesterday, yak. So in all these words, the Y is present in the beginning or in the middle. So it has dominant Y consonant sound. Yellow, yes, yesterday, yak, yoke, yacht, yet, layer, foyer, layout, loyal, and beyond. Beyond. And here, long I vowel sound when the consonant Y is present at the end of the monosyllabic word. So, Y, sky, ply, fly, sly, try, dry, cry, fry, cry, and my. So in all these words, the sound appears to be long I. And when consonant Y is present at the end of the multisyllabic word, it has long E vowel sound. Funny, sunny, bunny, body, pony, penny, chimney, honey, fairy, lady, story, and glory. So these are the words of Y consonant sounds. So for the Y consonant sounds, we can remember that it has three sounds. One is the Y consonant when the Y is present in the beginning or in the middle of the word. Long I sound when it is present at the end of the monosyllabic word, and long E vowel sound when Y is present at the end of the multisyllabic word. So I hope the consonant Y sounds topic is clear to you. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, How to Teach Kids at Home. Thanks for watching.